and validation facility in Fairmont, West Virginia, where we have an educator resource center. And I naturally follow Rick because he talked about gathering data and to put in the GIS systems. And what we at the Educator Resource Center make available to students and teachers here in West Virginia is the equipment to gather that data. For example, he talked about runoff and discharge, and we have flow meters, and we have water quality testing kits. Actually, we have over $1 million worth of equipment that we loan out to West Virginia teachers for free to collect that data. In the Educator Resource Center itself, which by the way, all of you from West Virginia should be really proud of because NASA considers it, if not the best, one of the top 3 educator resource centers out of over 50 in the United States, is we use GIS there mostly to with our GLOBE programs, and we have ArcGIS View installed in our newly renovated computer lab, and so we can bring in teachers and groups of students and their data, and they can have access to the programs to upload them. They can have access to the equipment they need to gather their data. We also, this year, are starting for the first time, a state GLOBE science fair, and there will be categories within that science fair where students get extra points for using GIS. The other thing that I want to bring up is that if you as a teacher or a nonprofit need access or a place to meet where you can put all of that data and stuff in, we at the Educator Resource Center have the space, 18 computers, the ArcView, and the stuff that you can use. You can arrange a meeting at our facility and use our computers in our facility at NASA at Fairmont as a place to work with a group of students or a group of people. Now the only caveat to that is that you can't have a conference where you're charging people to use our facility or our materials because we provide them all for free. But then just again, the main things to take away that NASA has to offer you is a place where you can bring groups of people and train them on GIS if you're doing it for free, equipment that we can train you on that you can borrow to collect GIS data and use it with whatever groups that you're using it for. And to get in contact with us, you just need to put Google ivv.nasa.gov and click on the education button, and you'll get to our Educator Resource Center with all that we have to offer.